sir. Woohoo! First fish all day. Yes, sir. That's awesome. Last time I was here, I caught some bass and a bluegill. So maybe I can repeat that. Good fish. Let him go. Another one. There you go. Ah! Shit. There you go, got him. My hand's gonna be freezing. That's okay. There you go. There you go. Second one. Maybe they're starting to bite now. That's weird. Cool. Let him go. Sir. There it is. Alrighty. Most of the fish. Let him go. Good day so far. How's it going, folks? I'm just packing everything up. I'm in the truck, about to head home. I'm freezing. As you guys know, we probably, or as you guys probably know, we suffered a blizzard and everything is covered in snow. Luckily, I found some areas of water that aren't covered in ice, so I've been fishing the little spillways there, catching some fish, having fun. Still amazed to see the blue herons hanging around and some of the other birds and other wildlife. And yeah, some of the fish are biting still, so don't be afraid to get out there. Yeah, like I said, we had a storm, I guess, last night into today. It kind of is still off and on the flakes, but it's not what it was, which is good, because I'm going to head home now. Hopefully everything is safe and I don't have any issues. But I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know that I do appreciate you guys watching my videos. It's very cool. If you guys could LSS, that would be nice. And if you guys found anything informative or useful, feel free to LSS. And again, that's like, share, subscribe. I really would appreciate it. If you guys could, please stay tuned to upcoming videos, to future content. I have a different work schedule right now, and with the weather conditions, I'm just not able to fish like I want to. But I am working hard to at least put out something weekly. So yeah, you know, stay tuned. And I'll catch you guys out on the water next time. Take it easy.